The sun rises, a soft glow bathes near Mumbai. It's 2047, the city is already buzzing with activity. Drones hum through the air, delivering packages. Cleaning robots, small and nimble, are sweeping the sidewalks. Holographic news displays shimmer on building sides, showing the latest updates. Meet Maya. She wakes up in her smart apartment. Her AI assistant Kai greets her cheerfully. Good morning, Maya. Your schedule is packed today. Kai has already prepared a list of tasks, appointments, and even outfit suggestions based on the weather and Maya's mood. In the kitchen, a robot prepares Maya's breakfast based on Kai's recommendations for a balanced and energizing meal. Maya steps into her self-driving car. Good morning, Maya. Where shall we venture today? The car's AI asks. Maya tells the AI her destination. The car swiftly navigates through the city, optimizing the route to avoid traffic. Soft, instrumental music chosen by the AI based on Maya's preferences fills the car. At the hospital where Maya works as a doctor, AI plays a crucial role. AI-powered diagnostic tools help doctors like Maya identify diseases with incredible accuracy. Virtual consultations have become commonplace, connecting patients in remote areas with specialists worldwide. In the evening, Maya relaxes by painting. Her AI assistant helps her explore new artistic styles, suggesting color palettes and brushstrokes. AI has become a powerful tool for artists, musicians, and writers, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Students, too, benefit from AI tutors who personalize lessons and provide instant feedback.